Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukore, Japan. Today, I'm going to do a deep dive comparison of Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, a choice many people struggle with. I'll keep the talk about pricing and plans to a minimum and focus on what the actual differences are when you use them. Let's get started. First, let's be clear that for basic functions like email, video conferencing, document creation, and spreadsheets, there isn't a huge difference between the two.
Oh, really? I thought there would be a big differences.
Not really, Naruto. Both are cloud-based and can be used without installing any software on your PC. There are various pricing plans, but the crucial difference to note here is how the AI features are handled.
Isn't both covered by Gemini or Copilot?
Well, it is bad there are some differences. In Google Workspace, Gemini is included in the business plans. However, in Microsoft 365, Copilot requires an additional fee on top of the business plan. The handy PowerPoint creation features you see in commercials are only available after paying this extra cost. Second, comparison of key apps. Let's compare the main application of both. Overall, Microsoft offers more features and a wider variety of apps. Email and scheduling management, Outlook versus Gmail. Outlook, it's not just for email. It integrates your calendar, to-do list, contacts, and access to cloud storage, OneDrive, all in one place. Gmail, it integrates email, chat, and video conferencing, making it a simple tool focused on communication. Chat and video conferencing, Teams versus Google Chat or Meet. Teams, it's powerful for chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and calendar integration. The ability to create channels within a team and organize information by topic using posts is a handy feature that Google Chat doesn't have. Google Chat Meet is integrated into Gmail, allowing for seamless collaboration. The features are simpler, but that makes it more intuitive to use. Cloud storage, OneDrive versus Google Drive. OneDrive, the basic function of saving and sharing files are the same as Google Drive. A unique feature is the meetings section, which lists only the files shared in past Teams meetings, making it incredibly convenient to find documents. Google Drive, it consists of a simple My Drive and Share drives. You can filter by file type, but you can't search for files based on the specific meeting they were using.
When you think about cloud storage, they may look the same, but they're actually very different.
Exactly, Naruto. Note-taking apps, OneNote versus Google Docs. OneNote, it's truly a digital notebook. Besides typing text, its biggest feature is the ability to freely handwrite notes and draw diagrams, much like a note-taking app on an iPad. Google Docs, with its smart canvas feature, you can efficiently create task lists and meeting minutes, but it lacks the freedom handwriting capabilities of OneNote.
Indeed, this point OneNote looks quite nicer.
Yeah. Internal portal site creation, SharePoint versus Google Sites. SharePoint, with its abundance of templates, you can build highly functional and well-designed internal portals with features like organizational charts and image galleries. However, it can feel a bit complex due to its vast number of features. Google Sites. The features are simple, and anyone can easily create a site with intuitive drag-and-drop operations. Its ease of use is its main appeal. Surveys, Forms versus Google Forms. The functionality is almost identical. Both allow you to create surveys and automatically collect responses in Excel or a spreadsheet. The UI design on Microsoft Forms might feel slightly more modern. The decisive difference in Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, versus Docs, Sheets, Slides. This is the most critical point that separates the two. In short, Microsoft wins by a landslide in terms of features, but Google has the upper hand when it comes to ease of team collaboration.
In my opinion, before I felt Microsoft was more practical, but recently Google Workspace is equally efficient.
Yes, Microsoft challenge the coexistence of two versions. Microsoft has two versions, the full features desktop version and the more limited online version. This can cause significant problems during collaborative work. Compatibility issues. Advanced charts of functions created in the desktop version of Excel may not display or edit correctly in the online version. This can hinder smooth collaboration. File sharing issues. With Microsoft, you can save files locally to your own PC. If you forget to share it, that file becomes completely isolated on your personal computer. As a result, it's easy to fall into a file management nightmare. Wow, where you end up with countless files like file name, version 2, file name, Sato edit, XX. Oh my god!
This actually is a big hole, which can affect in so many other things, like when you want to collaborate or use AI efficiently.
That's true. Since Google only has an online version, version-related problems never occur. No matter who accesses a file or from where, everyone is editing the exact same thing with the same features. Files exist on the cloud, Google Drive, from the very beginning, making sharing incredibly smooth. If you create a file in a shared drive, the entire team can access it instantly. This speed of collaboration is Google's greatest strength. I gave both AIs the same instruction: create a new product proposal for a milk pudding. Copilot. First, it generated a detailed text proposal in Word. Then, based on that text, it automatically created a well-designed PowerPoint slide deck. Its ability to automate individual tasks is extremely high. Gemini. It was able to generate text in a document, but its ability to automatically create slides is not yet fully. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace have fundamentally different design philosophies.
So Nissy, who is Microsoft 365 for?
Okay, people who want to maximize their individual productivity by taking full advantage of the rich features in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and people who often create high-quality documents by themselves.
I see. And then, who is Google Workspace for?
People who want to prioritize the speed of team information sharing and collaborative editing. People who want to use simple, intuitive tools to promote collaboration among everyone. I hope this video helps you decide which one is right for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye 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 bye.